I'm Sean McGrory. I'm the Global Head of Surety for Allianz Trade. Our surety experts help companies navigate their global business environment in two ways. One is by supporting their international expansion by providing guarantees in many markets around the world with our global capabilities. The second is we support their working capital and liquidity requirements by providing tailor-made solution and products in these areas. One of the main challenges that businesses face is on the regulatory front. It's a very complex regulatory environment where the demands and the regulations really vary by market. Also, the local market practices vary significantly. So having a surety like Allianz Trade support them with local experts that know the marketplaces to make sure their requirements are fully in compliance is really critical for their success. Recent development on the tariff front is really creating a demand for an increase in customs bonds, which are required in many countries when companies are importing goods, and they're responsible for providing these bonds to guarantee the future payment of duties. So because of the tariffs, we're seeing a big increase, and this is creating a big opportunity for us. And then secondly, we're seeing an opportunity on the ESG front, sustainability front, with a big investment we're seeing in infrastructure in that space. And we have several products that we've created that are really supporting those needs for major clients around the world. I think one of the main advantages for choosing an insurance-backed solution is really working with a surety that has local expertise, people on the ground that really can provide value-added services and market insights to the customers. I think that's a big advantage for them, whether it's working with joint venture partners or subcontractors or suppliers, really giving that local market intelligence, I think is a real value added that we can provide. Also, our ability to provide and free up liquidity requirements for these companies, freeing up their credit lines as well, I think is a big advantage in a very difficult economic environment where companies are looking very carefully at their cash and liquidity needs. I have a recent example on the innovation side where we worked with a very large, long-time customer that we've supported for many years that required really a higher frequency of bonds. So we created an API solution connecting our system to their system, which allowed them to request bonds instantaneously. We in turn then were able to issue bonds electronically for them, providing a high-level, fast level of service. And we also had the ability through the interface to allow them to manage their bond portfolio online, which also was a big advantage to them. Feedback has been excellent, and it's a great example of how we can expand our business with a major customer, really providing an innovative solution. One of the biggest things that stands out is our credit rating, our financial strength, which is required by many beneficiaries when we issue our bonds. So this really stands out and really sets us apart. I also think our global capabilities with teams on the ground, with local expertise, is a really big advantage for us and really valued by our large multinational clients, and is really helping us drive our overall growth and business potential. Global reach and financial strength are really key capabilities for a reliable insurance partner. I think Allianz Trade, we have the financial strength. We stand behind our obligations. So this really is very important for our partners and also our beneficiaries. And it's also a differentiator, giving our very strong rating in the marketplace.